Well, you've got your trade tracking spreadsheet, right? So you know if you're getting lots of slippage or not. And if you're getting lots of slippage, then you want to think about using limit orders. So you'll know, because for your account size, for the stocks you're trading, for the systems you're trading, for your position sizing, oh, I'm getting lots of slippage. Oh, my execution is not great. Oh, I should use limit orders. Like most trades, I get in and get out with zero slippage. Not every time, but most times, because I'm placing limit orders. And I'm getting filled in the opening price match. Vast majority of my trades. But if I use a adaptive market order, there'll be a little bit of slippage. I happen to be free. I'm sitting at the computer anyway, so I place limit orders. But everyone has that luxury. You don't have the luxury, you don't have the choice, right? So if you're finding you're getting lots of slippage, you've got two choices. Use limit orders and monitor them to make sure they get executed, or increase the liquidity requirement so that your slippage is less.